Today what we're doing for lunch, I'm having a liquid lunch. I don't mean a drink. What I'm going to be doing is using these fresh organic peaches that I got from Alan and Gail's backyard. I've got a regular very ripe banana, you can tell by the spots, and I have also a very ripe pineapple. So we're going to put together this with a little bit of Almond Milk Yogurt alternative, and this is strawberry flavored.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
And I like to add this to it because it gives me a little chance to add other things in my drink. This yogurt was made with almonds, cane sugar, strawberries, juice concentrate, natural flavors, starch, citric acid, calcium carbonate, and all this other junk that we probably don't need. But anyway, it gives me a chance to be able to mix a very tasty drink and have this added to it. So that is where we're going to get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to check to see if our pineapple is any good. Because I got this really ripe. You can tell the leaves are all dried. I'm hoping that it's not behind its prime. Might be. Now, some people, what they do is they transplant this, but this one's been going through the mill. It's mostly dried. We're not going to be able to do it. So what I did next is I cut the banana into little chunks here, like so. And then I'm going to put some of my very ripe peaches in with this. And what you want to do is you want to pull it off the fruit. There's a stone in there. These are stone fruits. You don't want to put the stone in. So I have two of these peaches which are really ripe. I'm destroying it, but it's going to get all minced anyway. So next what we're going to do is we're going to blend it. On this model, the diamond goes with the diamond over here. I'll show you. Diamond here, diamond there. Press down, and then turn on your power. Your power is right over here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pulse it. Now you pulse it by holding the top of the blender with your hand. Okay, now to be able to get a little bit more of a mix, I'm going to have to add some liquid. So this is when I use the yogurt, and I'm going to get a spatula to get all of it in. Now this yogurt is 5.3 ounces, and all 5.3 ounces need to go inside. Now I've done a few of these type of drinks, different types of drinks using different vegetables, and I found out that these soy yogurt are exceptional, a lot better I think than the coconut variety. Okay, we're going to put the cap back on. Two triangles together, close it, and then over here we're going to pulse it again. Now this is done on real time. I want to show you the difference. You see how it's already getting to the point where it's coming down to be a drink, or a very thick drink. Now with this blender, you can't take the top and photograph the top while it's moving. It's a protection, and because these blades are so sharp, people could lose their fingers. So what I'm doing here is I'm just scraping the sides down, making sure that all the pineapple is where it's supposed to be blended in. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of full circle organic almond milk. Here, let's see if we can do it a little bit different so you can see how I do this. Okay, and I poured the non-dairy milk. Now this is going to give it plenty of liquid so that this will now become a smoothie. Now make sure the top is back on. Get aligned with triangles. Snap the top. We're going to go to the side over here, and you can see the side. Well, there. Now that's it. Now I just put everything away, release it, and what we're going to do is we're going to test it. You have to twist this jar like this to get it out. Being careful that the blade is in. I'm going to test it like this. Now what it's like, it's very pulpy because I put in the pulp, the center of the pineapple in it. But it is very nice. Now tomorrow morning I'm going to add my protein milk to it, and it will be a complete breakfast. The protein powder I use is plant-based vegan smart, and this particular one is a complete nutritional shake. But I use this in my breakfast along with my cereal every single morning, but I also use it when I make a smoothie. It's tolerable. I think that maybe in the future I should use different fruits. It can work. What might be another good use of this is I might be able to put this over my cereal. Alright, let's see what it looks like in a glass. Now what some people might want to do is filter it. If they don't like the, you have to be careful of this, the pulp in it, which for me is great for fiber. If they don't enjoy this way, they might need to filter it. And I'll drink a lot of smoothies, and this is going to work for me. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you have this unusual breakfast one day, and I hope you have this unusual breakfast soon. So this was such a delicious drink, I decided that I would save it for tomorrow morning with my protein. And this is how I'm storing it. And I get to have the rest for lunch. So I get to put this in my refrigerator, and tomorrow morning it'll all be ready for me. Can't beat that, huh? Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.